Okay, so we are going to try to get the player to get hit by the projectiles. I don't know how far we're going to go. Right now, I'll show you the projectiles just go right through it. So let's see. Actually, I don't know if you can see that. Let's watch watch the projectiles. See, they're going right through it. Okay, so we need to fix that. And again, like I've been starting to say pretty much every video now, I'm going to leave the video's results, the files, as a comment under the video, and that way you can take, depending on which one you happen to land on in the playlist, you can just start there. But it really kind of starts from part 12 on is when I started being consistent about this. So you can play with it. This is the previous version, the one you happen to pick up on. This is the next version. You can see what this one does that this one doesn't do. And don't just do a file compare. I mean, you can, but if you want to try your hand at learning to get AI to work for you, try to get it to prompt it so that it will take you on your own from one version to the next. So I did something that I never do, and I actually uploaded the files. By the way, even though that's labeled 17, it's 16th version of the code. I just, we need to update the file because I keep different folders. But this is the current code that you would have in 16. But I uploaded all the files. I would never really do that if I cared about anything because I'm very, a little bit paranoid. Anyway, I uploaded the files and I just, hey, can you see these files? And yes, I have access to all the files. But you know what? It doesn't help to remember that much. You have to like force it to look. So, bottom line, we were talking about, that the robots can get hit by the projectiles, but they go right through the player. It totally missed. First of all, had to say, no, wait, the robot fire button works because it was thinking that it didn't work. That's great news. Anyway, um, finally we got it straightened out, and it gave me the code. Apparently, this file, like I don't know 100% of the code. Like like I'm not programming. I'm just anyway. We had to update this, so this is all was all there as you can tell. It's just that he numbered it and added comments. This is the new stuff. Hit the player, the missing piece. Okay, I refreshed the page. Let's go. Right now it is in evade mode. I don't care about the player hitting the robots. I just want the robots to let me put it somewhere else. There we go. Fire. Let's see what. Okay, now the projectiles do not correct. That's good. So at least they're stopping. It's not affecting the player yet, but that wasn't what I asked for yet. Okay, we made the final changes, and now the player can get hit 5 times before it dies, it disappears. So here we go. Where's the player? There we go. Well, that didn't take very long. Let's revive the. Okay, got some of the robots, but it's been hit though. I should probably have a color. Oh, there it goes again. It died again. We revived it. There, took care of one hit. Oh, 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 oh. There, that was it. Okay, so I think that is it for this video. Now this can be played manually right here, but I never do because I'm just so bad at it. So I will see you next time.